Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with a nice case for all you leather fans out there. This is Mujjo Shield case. So you've got vegetable tanned leather on here, really nice construction. This case is going to give you 15 feet of drop protection. It's got very nice responsive buttons, including a covered action button. The case is lined in soft microfiber, and of course it's MagSafe. In this review, we're going to be checking this out in greater detail on my iPhone 15 Pro Max and natural titanium. Let's get started. Taking a look at the construction of the shield, this case is quite slim, relatively rigid, not a whole lot of flex on here. You got a polycarbonate frame, and then the sides are made of polycarbonate, I would say with some TPU in them as well. And then the back has a panel of full-grain vegetable tanned leather, really nice quality. This is eco-conscious European leather. It's processed in some sort of eco-conscious way, so that's good. You've got some Mujjo branding here on the back as well as on the side. You've got a spot for a wrist strap on either side, and you've got buttons for all of the available button spots, so no irritating cutout for the action button. And then on the interior, soft microfiber and some Mujjo branding, which no one will ever see but you. So overall, really nice case. In terms of size, this is going to be just a little bit bigger than Apple Silicone Case. So if you look at the two of them side by side, this one's going to be a little taller and a little wider. There's not a huge difference in thickness, but I think in terms of the amount of protection it's going to give you, it is significantly more. So you got 15 feet of drop protection with the Mujjo Shield, and I don't think that the Apple Silicone Case is going to give you nearly as much. So really nice job there by Mujjo. Putting your phone in this case is quite easy. Just start on your left-hand side. Make sure that your top and your bottom corners are in place. Then go to your right-hand side and then clip on those corners. Once on, we have a really excellent fit on here. There is basically zero give. I'm really impressed with the fit of this. Really, really nice. And in terms of the amount of lip you have a nice amount of protective lip. I don't have a tempered glass screen protector or any screen protector on my 15 Pro Max. So if I had one on there, you'd have a bit less visible lip, but I think you would still have plenty of lip to protect your screen. And again, you do have that 15 feet of drop protection with this case. So looking down here at the port openings, nicely positioned, nicely sized, asymmetrical port openings for the asymmetrical port design, so that is all excellent. And I don't think you're going to have any issue with most USB-C cables. Then going around to the sides, again, you've got that spot here for a lanyard on either side. And then you've got this cutout going up the sides. This is a really nice design here. I think that it makes it more visually interesting, and it also gives you a nice amount of grip on here. These are not terribly grippy sides, but they're not slippery either. Overall, I think this case has an excellent feel in the hand. And then going up here to our buttons. These are great, really responsive, really nice, and I'm loving the action button. It works perfectly. I think that there is the perfect amount of button travel here. Very responsive, just a great job by Mujjo. And looking here at the top, everything looks perfect, really nice fit. Then going to the side button, again, another excellent button. And then we have more Mujjo branding down here at the bottom. Looking at the back of the case, you've got full grain vegetable tanned leather, really nice look and feel. This is eco-conscious European leather. It uses special techniques which use less water and are supposed to be better for the environment. I think it looks really great. However, it doesn't have that same ultra premium look that you're going to have with the Horween leather on Nomad's cases. However, it's probably a whole lot better for the environment. You got plenty of protection here for your rear camera, no problems there. And overall, just a really nice look and feel with this case. This case is going to work fine with regular Qi wireless charging as well as MagSafe charging. No problems there. I saw some reviews on Amazon which were saying that this was not working properly with wireless charging and MagSafe charging, and I really don't understand that. Either there were some cases that were defective that were sent out, or people were reviewing an entirely different case, because I find zero problems with that. Our magnets are basically the same strength as the one you're going to find on Apple's cases, so not super strong, but everything works really well. And as far as other MagSafe accessories are concerned, this is going to work fine with MagSafe wallets. Here's Apple's MagSafe wallet here. Everything works fine. And of course, Mujjo has its own MagSafe wallet. This one's nice. It's got little strips of a non-slip material here on the back, which give it extra grip. Has the same capacity as Apple's wallet, and it works really well as well. So overall, just a really nice case here from Mujjo. This one is available directly from Mujjo as well as from Amazon, and currently right now it's on sale on Mujjo's website for 25% off. So your regular price is $59, and right now it's $44.25 on Mujjo's site. It's available in black as well as this lovely steel blue color we have here, and you can get it on Amazon, but the Amazon version is not currently on sale. Many thanks to the kind folks at Mujjo for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.